How to repeat text box on every page in Microsoft Word. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show the how can make the text box duplication in every page. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so I have one page right now, so let me insert the few page more. Okay, so let me come to the view, and okay, one page view. Okay, so now we have few page. Okay, so let me insert the text box. First we need to enable this header. Okay, so we need to just you need to just come here at first page and at a top, and just double click on it, then the header will be enabled. Now what you need to do, go to the insert and go to the text box and insert the text box here. Now just select the text box, and you can change the place, write your text whatever you want, and you can do it. And now you need to remove the heading. So just come to the header and footer and just click and close header and footer. Now just make the view 100% and one page. Now you can manage your text box on every page. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.